Hi friend, today we'll write the program to find a string in reverse manner using Java. Example of a string in reverse manner, Raj is jar. First we write the main method. Then define the variable which is used during writing this program. A string original. Then reverse is equal to double quotes. Then here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object. This new scanner system dot in. Then next is input by enter the input. Enter the string to reverse. The next line of code define what user is enter. Original is equal to sc dot next line. Then int length is equal to original dot length. Then use the for loop for define the range of a string. Int I is equal to length minus 1 means a string length of a string minus 1. Length minus 1. Then what is the range? What is the condition should be greater than I should be greater than or equal to 0. Then I in reverse manner means I in decreasing order, I minus minus. Then reverse is equal to reverse plus original dot character at ith index. What character in ith index that should be added. Then print that number, print that string, reverse of a string. So a string is plus reverse. Then save the program and run the program. Like Raj in reverse. That's it.